Okay, here we go. So I'm just gonna show you the box right here, and right here at the top we have here 6 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of ROM. I think there is only one variant right here, and yes, you will get 6 gigabytes right here at the base price. I'm not really sure if they're gonna release other variants, but at the base they're releasing it as 6 gigabytes. Wow. And right here I have the color Twilight Blue. Now there are actually 3 colors available for the Oppo F9. There's the Sunrise Red, the Twilight Blue, and the Starry Purple. And now let's see what's inside of this big box right here. It's time to open you up. It's really quite heavy. Okay, careful now. Oh, okay. Oppo. Oh, it's a box within a box. All right, let's just see what's in this. Oh, it's the SIM ejector pin. The papers right here. The Oppo Quick Start Guide. And the Oppo Important Information Guide. So we have an important one and not so important one. Okay. And here's the jelly case. Nice. Okay, we're presented here with some plastic. Now this packaging right here is quite fancy. You can really see how much better the packaging right here is compared to the other phones that I've reviewed. Okay, let's just open this. And here it is. Wow. Oh my god. Look at that. Sparkly. So sparkly. Let me just remove this just to see the back some more. That looks really fancy right there. And we actually have a gradient color right here. It's just not noticeable, but we do have a darker color right here at the top and a much lighter color here at the bottom. So yeah, it's a glass back, so it's gonna have some fingerprints at the back. All right, let's set you aside for now. I'm just gonna complete the unboxing experience right here. And wow, look at that. Oh my god. Seriously, I have never seen this kind of packaging in all of my previous unboxing videos, especially for a mid-range phone. First up, we have the VOOC-enabled charger right here. See that? It's color green. And look at that. This is the first time I have seen a USB cable all wrapped up like this. Really fancy packaging. And as you can see right there, we also have that green color right here, stating that this is a special cable, which means that if you lose this or break this, I think you're gonna have a hard time replacing it. Now, I'm not really sure if Oppo is gonna sell this separately in their stores, but hopefully they do. And yes, we have here earpod looking earphones. Great. So right here we have the brand name, the fingerprint sensor, the horizontal dual cameras right here, and the LED flash right beside it. And at the bottom, yes, it does have a headphone jack right there and a single speaker grill. And it has a micro USB, but that micro USB does support VOOC charging. And yeah, I'm gonna check out the charging later and see what that looks like. And at the right side, we have here the power button, and at the left side, we have here the volume rockers. And just above the volume rockers right there, we have here the SIM tray. And look at that, it has the complete package right there. We have 2 dedicated SIM card slots right there and a dedicated micro SD card slot, which is expandable up to 256 gigabytes of storage. Alright, yes. Now it's time to open this up. And I'm actually excited to see the screen on this thing. Oppo, alright. The screen is actually one of the biggest highlights of this phone right here. It kind of borrows the same design concept as the Oppo Find X right there, which is more screen to body ratio. Let's just see. Okay. Whoa. Holy crap. Look at that screen. Now that looks amazing. Now this is the first time I have reviewed something that has this kind of screen. And it's not really completely bezel-less right here. We have here the notch at the top and a chin right here below. Okay, look at this, guys. Look at what I'm gonna do here. Whoa, look at that. It goes so well with the design. It looks so nice.
So I went outside to just show you guys the screen, and look at that. Oh my god. And check out this wallpaper right here. Oh my god. Holy crap. Looks like I'm just holding a screen right here.
Alright, let's test out that VOOC fast charging right now. Let's see if it's good as advertised. Alright, let's start. VOOC. Alright. We've just hit 5 minutes right here, and let's just see. 10%. So yeah, 10% can actually give you to our talk time. I'm just gonna see how hot this is right now. Whoa, 33 degrees Celsius. About 9 minutes. That's actually very cool. And we've just hit 30 minutes right here. Let me just check. What? Oh my god. How is that doing that? This is charging too fast. Oh my god. Whoa. And let me just check how hot this is right now. It's only 3 degrees Celsius higher. What? See, it's not even that hot. Holy crap. And here's 46 minutes. 82% already. 93%. And 1 hour and 16 minutes. This is unbelievable. I'm actually speechless right now. Now it's all charged up. It's time to do the 1 hour drain test while playing PUBG. Let's start. So here are the settings. It can't go to HDR, so it's HD graphics, high frame rates, realistic, and a couple of more here right below. So let's just start the game. Okay, here we go. I believe it's smoother than the Oppo F7, even though they have the same processor and GPU. But this does have 6 gigs of RAM, and I'm not sure if that is actually affecting the performance right here. But I see that it feels a lot smoother right here. So if you've watched my previous video on the comparison between the Nova Free-i, the Mi A2, and the Oppo F7, the Oppo F7 was actually much smoother than the Nova Free-i when playing PUBG, and I think that's the same case right here. And I just want to point out the screen right here. Oh my god, look at that. That is just so beautiful. Such a big screen in such a very sleek and sexy phone. Wow. It's 30 minutes right now, and let's just see the battery. 90%. Cool. Still good. And we're at 1 hour. Alright, 77% right here, so it's pretty decent. It's still quite good. There's still a lot of juice there, so yeah. Alright, now for the photos and the videos. Enjoy.